Hi guys, this is Ankush from Desi Otaku and it's good to meet you again. Today we are talking about My Hero Academia. We all know that heroes attacked hospital of Dr. Garaki, where Shigaraki is treated, as well as head city of Meta Liberation Army, which is currently under control of League of Villains. But before we start our main topic, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for new content from Anime World. I'm new in YouTube, so your support means lot to me. Even if you not seen the past events and how Tomura Shigaraki got the power of All for One, then link are given in the description. Before we start, there is going to be a manga spoilers, so be warned. When Shigaraki woke up, before that, on the other hand, Fat Gum was carrying some hero trainees in his fat taxi who helped on a front line while ago. And after their work has been completed, Fat Gum was taking them towards the safe area. While running, Tsukuyomi saw Hawks getting attacked, and to help Hawks, who, who he thinks as a mentor, he freed himself from Fat Taxi with Dark Shadow and flew towards the scene. Even Fat Gum was shocked that someone was able to break free from his fat. Fat Gum dropped remaining trainees and ran after Tsukuyomi so he can protect him in need. Tsukuyami arrived at the place where Hawks and Dabi was fighting after the death of Bryce. As soon as Tsukuyami arrived, he stand in between Dabi and Hawks, who was heavily injured. Dark Shadow got shocked after seeing how much Hawks was injured. Not even single piece of feather was left on his back. Everything was burned to crisp. Dabi was laughing on the thought of how pro heroes relying on some students to save their backs. Hawks was heavily injured and Tsukuyomi knew the seriousness of the situation. While fighting, Dabi was continuously bad-mouthing heroes and Hawks in front of Tsukuyomi. While talking, he also tried to attack Tsukuyomi. The room was cramped, and the light coming from Dabi's fire continued to weaken the dark shadow. As the result, Tsukuyomi got injured. Even when Hawk was injured, he observed that Dabi didn't kill him. Instead, he's just talking and buying time. And there is something wrong. He explained the situation to Tsukuyomi and tells that power of Dabi is might weaker right now. That's why he is unable to kill both of them. We all know that every fire user like Endeavor Shoto has a big backlash from power. And overuse of fire hits their bodies. As a result, their reaction time decreases and even after that they force use fire, they might permanently damage their bodies. But Shoto is exceptional to that. If he use both of his power, made balance of fire and ice, he get more power and longer time. Right now, Dabi might experiencing the same thing that was the guess Hawks made and told Tsukuyomi about it. Taking the chance, Tsukuyomi destroyed the wall and jumped towards the lower floor. Even after that, Dabi eventually catch up with them. But before Dabi attacked, one big explosion of ice destroyed a large part of the building. Tsukuyomi took the advantage situation when Dabi got distracted by explosion and flew towards the safe place while carrying fainted Hawk for treatment. Tsukuyomi was continuously shouting and telling Hawks that all what he did was right and necessary in the situation. The explosion of ice was created by Geten, who is originally a member of Liberation Army and has the quirk which let him manipulate ice around him. Because of his big attack, Mount Lady, who was with pro heroes to suppress Liberation Army, and Fat Gum, who was following Tsukuyomi, both got thrown in the air. Then Geten, aka Iceman, took control of the remaining army and asked them to concentrate only on creating opening. When this all was happening, in hospital Shigaraki started to wake up. And the loyal subordinate of All for One, Giganto Machia, who is connected with his owner, felt the awakening of new All for One, and he stood up. After seeing that, even Ridestro and his men was shocked. The new awakened Shigaraki and Gigantomachia both are very bad news for pro heroes. If Shigaraki took control of the fight after he wakes up, it's very likely that lots of heroes will lose their life in the hands of Shigaraki and Gigantomachia. But after transformation, it's likely that Shigaraki will take time to adjust with his new body and quirks. I think with the help of Gigantomachia, he will run to recuperate with his truly trusty subordinates of League of Villains. But this is just a fan theory. Anything can happen. We can't just underestimate the power of Horikoshi, who is the godfather of the My Hero Academia. So that's all for today, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please turn on the notification bell with selection of all. I'm new on YouTube, so because of that, your support means a lot to me.